Turn to the video now. 44 and 8.
44 and 8. Yeah, I knew that.
Oh, Josh has got it. Josh kicked the footy.
Good kick, yeah. Good kick, Josh. Josh, done a good kick.
Watch out for the, just in case the ball comes back this way. Is there a light on the front of it? Look out, look out. Come here, Rachel.
There's a light, yep. Oh, it's that shiny light.
Sort of brightening it up. I'll go over that way.
It's looking pretty good to me.
Mhm.
It seems a little bit dark.
Mm. Okay.
Got that hospital.
Oh, it's coming back. It's there. Don't walk in front of me, sweetie. Because I'm not watching where I'm walking. I might trip over you. That might be embarrassing.
And there's no sense wearing the footy.
Yeah.
Even if I'm